Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Tuesday, January the 7th, 2014. I've done my morning routine. I've gone through a bunch of press releases and found some good ones that stand out to me. I talk about why they stand out and give you some insight into the news as well as their stock charts. The goal is to help you find some good investments, stocks to do your homework on and find some investment winners in there. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the chief market commentator for AGORACOM. We're keeping the show to around a 10-minute time frame. We won't have any problems with time today because 4 companies to talk about, so we'll get right to it. The first company I wanted to talk about today is North American Palladium. North American Palladium announced their 2014 operating guidance. Some of the summary of that is their increased payable palladium production of 170 to 175,000 ounces. Capital investment and exploration budget between 30 million, or the capital investments around 30 million and 4 million for exploration budget. A bunch of underground production work they're going to do. You can find all those details on the company's press release. Some good information in there. Just looking at the stock now, it's down 6 cents today to 90 cents on 1.2 million shares traded hands. Just looking at the stock chart right now, and this one's been on a really good breakout since about the 3rd week in December. So right around when tax loss selling ended, it broke out quite aggressively. It's gone over its short, mid, and longer term moving averages, so that's very bullish. At 90 cents here, it's almost testing its 200-day moving average, or 100-day moving average, sorry. So we'll see if it can hold that support there. Interesting stock chart, interesting news. Definitely one I'd put on the consideration list for our Friday Best of the Best in Weekly News show. Still have to do some more homework before I make that decision, but putting this one on the list of consideration. PDL is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. The next company is Probe Mines. Probe Mines reported additional high-grade gold intersections on their Borden Gold project, which is in Ontario. This is their 2013 drill program. The project is near Chapleau, Ontario. They've put out results from 50 drill holes. They had some very good numbers in there, 42 meters averaging 4.9 grams per ton gold, including 13.9 meters grading 12.9 grams per ton gold. They had a 37-meter intersection of 4.3 grams per ton gold. Included in that was 23 meters of 6.3 grams per ton gold. So some very high-grade gold on Probe's Borden Gold project. Really interesting stuff there. I like what I'm seeing a lot from that project. Stock's up 5 cents today to $2.37 on 60,000 shares of volume. Just looking at their stock chart, they've been in a very bullish trend since back in May. From about August until recently, they were kind of going sideways, just a little over $2. And then they broke out in the late December, early part of January, quite aggressively over their short, mid, and longer term moving averages. So that's a very good trend. I picked this company before. It's been a very good pick. I like this company a lot. Just looking, and their stock symbol is PRB. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Premier Gold. Premier Gold announced their year-end exploration and operational update. They gave updates on their 3 key project areas, which include the Trans-Canada property, which is in the Geraldton area of Ontario. They gave an update on their Cove Gold project, which is in Nevada, and on their Rahale Bonanza project, which is in Ontario. They've been getting some good news on all of their 3 projects. All of these 3 projects are what I call multi-million ounce type projects, and I'm really liking what I'm seeing on the news. The stock is down 3 cents today on 352,000 shares to $1.56. It also looks like it recently bottomed in late or third week of December. Since then, it's been getting a better trend. I like this company a lot, and I think it's got a lot higher to go. PG is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. And the final company today is Lakeshore Gold. Lakeshore Gold achieves record production of 134,000 ounces of gold in 2013, and they did 51,000 ounces during the fourth quarter. This is their full year and fourth quarter numbers. Very good numbers in there. You can find it in the company's press release. Just looking at the chart, our stock today, it's up a penny on 2.3 million shares traded hands. That's to 55 cents. And just looking at the stock chart, it's been on a nice breakout since about the first week in December, and I'm liking a lot of what I see with this trend. Another company I'll put on the high consideration for this Friday's Best of the Best and Weekly News Show. Like this one a lot as well. LSG is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. So that's all the news for today. As always, before making any investment decision, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. And look for our shows for the Monday through Thursday here on at AGORACOM.com, as well as AllenberryReports.com, where I post where these are posted, and our weekly show on Fridays. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.